Hey, yo, Dan. Hello again, Dave. Hmm. Hey, guys. Notifications. Nope. Nope. Bernie Hill. RDHL. I'll take a look. I will look. Today's been fire. Yes. I can see. I know why you're saying it's fire. Absolutely. I was watching a bit of it, and futures of fire, fire, fire. Notify me of you going, but didn't see it in Discord. Oh yeah. Let me take a look. Uh, Stream alerts. It says it's in there, but I think it's because Dave. It was an hour ago when I yeah, it was alerted an hour ago. Some NQ with Lynn. Yes, that was fun. Yeah, she has 20 different accounts. So yeah, so that can be a lot of fun because she's just copying and doing the same stuff in the other accounts. So when she's making $1,000, it's actually $20,000, which is wild, wild. Yeah, no, NQ is fun. NQ is fun, fun, fun. Do, 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 do. Na, 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 na. Have you traded? Well, I mean, I know you have, but uh, I, you haven't done much like for options, have you, Dan? You've been stolen futures, futures. I yeah, probably. Uh, Congratulations, T. My goodness, 5 out of 5 trades today, out for the day. Good start to the week. Today, Meta. Oh, okay, okay, nice, very nice. Um, so with NOGN, nothing really happening there, is there? Nope, nope. Oh, interesting. Okay. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah, no, there's nothing happening there yet. So maybe into the evening, if it shows some type of like a want to give us a bankruptcy rally, then that would be good for NOGN. For now, nothing. MRKR, that thing is going to need to find a way to get back above 480 for the next breakout. NXTP, yeah, it looks like it's had a like it has a nice little double bottom at 74 cents. 74 cents. Where's everybody? I know, where's everybody? Martinelli. I hate the guy. Hate. Don't think he's that good. I think he's and, I just think he's overrated. But then again, like I think everybody on Arsenal is overrated. It's all these kids, they think they're very good. They're not actually that good. You know, you will never see like Mo Salah play like that. You know what I mean? You will never see Mo Salah play like that. You will never see KDB play like that. These dudes are hungry always. Always, always. Thank you, Dan. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, for some reason, I think I sent the alert way too early. So then, you know, like you watch Saka play and then he goes forward and then he passes the ball back. It's like, dude, I know you're getting double team, but like, where's Martinelli is always like one on one and then he does some stupid rubbish. It's like, okay, you're not that good. Yeah, of course. That's the Premier League. You know, all I'm saying is these guys are good. We saw how good they are from last season. Just play like you want it. Don't do stupid stuff. Martinelli wasn't doing like spin arounds last season. Dude was sprinting. This season he runs. He doesn't do anything. Trash. I was an hour early. People are fell asleep. Yeah. How are the goats? Good. Very good. Yeah, I had a really fun goat session today. Lots of monies. We buy in range 110, 125. Second round bounce. As long as it stays above a dollar. View hasn't done too much today, but lots of signs of like hope. Lots of good signs for hope. Anyways. Oh, you made some monies? Or you were thinking of a second bounce? Oh, like, oh, okay. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. Yeah, no, JTAI has been on fire today. On fire. On fire. The entire morning. My goodness. 255 came all the way back down to 2.180 actually. And then a break. See, this was it. This was it right there. Like the retest of the breakout, that was it for JTAI. As soon as we used this level on the left hand side as support, that was it. It was over at that point. There was only one way, and that was up. Well, we say that now, but yes, there was only one way. Only one way. AMD and snow calls or fire. Nice. Yeah, I'm impressed by if I can pull up a chart by just the markets. That's the thing about like a bull market. You want to be very careful guessing the opposite way because even if we do dip, right, we go right back up. So the close is very important, like either a catalyst or the close. So if CPI is not good or the Fed does something stupid, and then maybe for now, right. So SPY closing above 460 bullish, SPY going to 462 bullish, right. So yeah, we can have like little midday dips, but at the end of the day, if we're still closing above like a key resistance level, and then it really doesn't matter, right? Because we could have easily looked at the S&P and said, oh, like we're below 460 at the open, 459.50. It's time to crash. Doesn't matter though. Does not matter. That damn thing is bullish. Puts are for losers. Yep. Puts are for losers. Let's go. Yeah, don't forget to smash the like, guys. Hit the like, share the link. And have you guys seen that video of there's an Indian guy? He has a YouTube channel. Well, maybe it's a kid, and he's trying to say subscribe. Have you seen that video? Puts are options. Yes, saying yeah. So most of the time when we talk about like the S&P, or most people are looking for puts. Puts or calls, right? Yeah. You've seen the video, Yi? Yeah. It's really funny, isn't it? Yep. Show the video. I don't have it. Don't have it. MINM. Sure. Sure. I'm gonna set an alert for MRKR closer to the 80s. Cool. and then view. Say it in his accent. I don't know how to. I don't know how to. Yeah, no, view's done well. It's still up 16%, so that's not too bad. MINM. This one it's done really well, hasn't it? Just the fact that it went down to 350 and stayed above 350 is amazing, right? That is amazing. So if you wanted to scalp this, you could have scalped that 350, right? So a really good support actually. So $4 is your next resistance there. Yeah, $4. Yeah, yes, 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 which is nice. Uh, that's pretty good. Like 28 to 37 is really good. Wow, good job, Yi. So 27 out of 38, 37 trades you made, you are in the prop in the green. That's very nice. Very, very good. Uh, okay, there goes $4 again. There goes a break above $4 again. A comeback. That's if we can keep these candles above $4 though. This thing is gonna be crazy. Stupid, stupid volatile. So just be careful. 350 was your easier play. Yeah, exactly, Dan. If CPI comes in hot, SPY to the abyss. SPY has a lot of room to go to the abyss, doesn't it, Dan? My goodness. We can either screw CPI or we can screw the FOMC meeting. There's a lot of room to the abyss if something goes wrong. So does that mean we YOLO puts? I don't know. You don't trust our China numbers? Yeah. Yep. Yeah, CPI tomorrow and then Fed meeting Wednesday. Wednesday. And again, if you ever have any questions about earnings into the week, the calendar, the economy calendar into the week, just take a look at Trade Ideas on Sunday night. That stuff will usually be posted in there. The entire calendar. PPI on Tuesday. Was that one on the calendar as well, or did I just miss it? I think I just missed it. Dan. Let me go back and see. Yeah, so PPI Monday, PPI Wednesday, CPI Tuesday, PPI Wednesday with the Fed meeting then. And then jobless claims on Thursday, unless I'm looking at a different calendar. Yeah. Yeah, Wednesday, yeah. So lots of chaos potentially. There goes JTAI again with a nice pop, higher lows. That thing doesn't look like it's done, does it? Doesn't look like it's done. Yeah, I guess I can take a screenshot of that calendar and upload on stream as well. On stream, so then we don't have the same questions. Calendar. There you go. Yeah, so CPI tomorrow, PPI Wednesday, with FOMC statements, press conference, all of the chaos as usual. I bet you he does too, Dan. And then initial jobless claims on Thursday, and then some rubbish on Friday, which, yeah, PMI. Lots of fun. Yep, lots of volatility. Lots and lots of volatility. I bet you that's why they're releasing a whole lot on the earnings calendar. Because I think the only thing that's important on the earnings calendar this week is Costco. Costco reports on Thursday. Other than that, there's Adobe on Wednesday, uh, and then that's it. That's it. So the only big name here that seems like a potential tradable Um, Costco Thursday. Thursday. Yeah, I think this one's a bit harder to call, Dan, just because um, the market is pricing in all the stuff that it's pricing in. Um, So, but then if you think about like what's happened the over the last few meetings, with not just the meetings, with like CPI, all the data over the last month has pushed the market up, or the market has gone down a bit and then gone right back up. So, you're thinking down, 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 down. Something has to push the market down, but nothing has. So this one's gonna be a tough call. Na, na, na. And if the Fed does decide to pivot, maybe we have that initial reaction up and into the abyss, straight to the abyss. I would never be allowed in my house again. What happened, D? What did you do? What did you do? Yeah, so it looks like we failed at $4 again here for MINM. You forgot to pay the water bill? What happened? Your wife called you and she's like, "So did you pay the water bill?" And you're like, you forgot. Call them really quickly and so you're saying put the entire kitchen sink in the ODT puts tomorrow? Yeah. I'm saying put your lunch monies on it. Just kidding. Not financial advice. No, it's one of those things that will be hard to predict unless you go both ways or something. Negative can easily yeah, yeah, yeah. How come how come they never called you like, hey, what happened? What happened? And these guys are that ballsy, they're like, nope, didn't pay for it, shut it down. Shuts it down. Isn't it wild though? Like that should be like a basic human, But then again, who are we kidding? Who are we kidding? Who are we kidding? Anyways, we need something to start moving here. Something to start moving. Interesting. Anyways, SVRE. Lots of resistance still. They figured I would call them. Never call. Yep. Oh well. We'll also try to condemn the really Wes. Oh wow. A few calls letters before struggling. Yeah, exactly, Dan. Exactly. Yep. It stays on for 6 months. Yep. Yeah. Yep. You'd hope some somebody that runs the country, somebody that runs the company, would have some human decency to like maybe want to call somebody before like saying, hey, hey, it's not like people don't need water. Like water is one of those things that if you don't have, like, what are you gonna do, right? So no food, no water, no shower, nothing, no heating, nothing. Wild. They hate us. Yep. Maybe the CEO bought it West. That's why he's like, nope, 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 absolutely not. Shut it down. Shut it down. Oh well, what can you do? Nothing. So what are you doing, D? Are you calling them to turn it back on or what? It's a pretty place. INPX is at 10 cents. Wow, that thing was at 7 cents this morning. You go to jail for you. Yep. Yep. Straight to jail. Okay. What else do we have here? Uh Good job. Wow. $320. Good job, Joy. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. See, the Futures channel is fun. If you haven't been to the Futures channel yet in Discord, guys, you should visit. Like once in a while, just go visit. Go visit. And you will see a different vibe. Different vibes. With no warning uh on by 5. Okay. At least they should have it on today though. At least they should have it on today. Yep. But it's addictive, yeah. Yep. Yeah, yeah. No, so we had the call with Lynn, and yeah, that was fun. La, 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 la. Unbelievable. La, 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 la. Mm. And then in seconds or minutes, yep. The size of the candles are not fun. The size of, especially when you're playing with NQ, the candles can be crazy, crazy, crazy. Do, 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 do. Like Lynn would get into a trade and 2 seconds, 2 seconds in, she'd be down $200 or she'd be up. But yeah. Do, do. Yes, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't, please and thank you. It's unstable. Reminds me of an ex girlfriend. It is. It really is. Na, 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 na. No, I think the one thing that stood out though for NQ is just follow the trend. Follow the trend. Follow the trend. Take your monies and run. You stay too long, it will be entered. Take your monies and run. Follow the trend. Quick, quick, quick. Unless you're scalping in a bigger time frame, but uh, with the grinder, I cut the time lock. Yeah, is wiki as hell. Yeah. Yes, yes. My goodness, view is still at 190. Wow. Damn. The S&P still looks good. Yup. JTAI, beauty. If only that thing would break out. JTAI. If only this thing would break out and give us a boom ski. Break out. I have no idea how to trade futures. I don't even know what the NQ means. Honestly, Yogi, I was gonna, I I would stick to exactly what you're doing because you're very good at it, and consistency is key in what you're doing, right? So, um, most of these guys play with futures because they're busy during the day. They have this, they have that, right? They have an hour. I plan to, yeah. So I like what you're doing. I think you're good at it, and I would keep crushing that. Um, just because everything comes with like that learning curve, but so, yeah. Yes. My goodness, give us a breakout already, JT. JTAI. Hmm. You want to trade futures, but you're lazy? I consider myself as a decent trader, and it took me a while to fully understand how futures work. Exactly, Dan. Like yeah. Dan is not a decent trader, by the way. He's very good. He's very good, and yeah. But I think part of that too, Dan, is just your process. Um, you like to take your time and fully understand what you're getting into, which is very important. Um, yeah, yeah. Yeah. So do not trade what you don't understand. So do not trade what you don't understand. I was listening to a podcast this weekend, so it's interesting that you said that, and this came up, and that those comments came. uh, and boil it. G, yes, yes, yes. Nah, nah, nah. Futures and options are similar. Kind of, yeah, kind of, kind of. Let's see. PLTR. Yeah, yeah, sing. Yeah. I just tried to always shoot straight then. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Double risk. Yeah. I mean, again, the people in the Futures channel will do an amazing job of trying to help you. There's so much educational stuff in there. Rob will do his absolute best to help you. All the members in there will help you. So if you're ever interested. But again, Dan took a damn long time though, right, to fully understand what he wanted to do with it. So Dan was paper trading futures for a while, just like he paper traded options, right? So yeah. So you can flush the toilet at least. Yes. Or pray for rain, Put some buckets inside, put some buckets outside. Unlimited water. Unlimited water. Okay, what else do we have for anything else for signals today? Really? And so the 2018 computer animated film The Grinch is the highest grossing Christmas film of all time. Home Alone is number two. Cool. Home Alone. I've seen Home Alone a few times. I think I've seen The Grinch once. Once. Nothing on the momentum scanner there, so which is all I wanted to know. Elf is better. Elf. I don't think I've seen the Elf. I need candles. Yep. Me too, Dan. Me too. Uh, so real monies? No, it's not. Paper trading is different. But if you set the same rules for paper trading, you can replicate it, right? You're like, if I have this amount of money and this is the plan, this is that. It can be similar. You have to turn it back on. And a drop on MINM. Drop. The Grinch. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I need to get some like ugly Christmas sweaters, don't I? Some ugly Christmas hoodies or something so I can wear. Oh my goodness. Just for your face. Choo choo. Oh yeah, I don't want notes. I want Googles. See, my notes is like CPI stuff. Amazon maybe. Some of them actually don't look too bad, but choo 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 choo. There's a lot of Grinch stuff is in there. Anyways, moving on. Moving on. When view rally, my goodness. When rally view. Bits of a recovery. SVRE with a nice little bounce, 61 pennies. I don't like the spread though. That's my only concern. These spreads. La, la, la. See, the stream is fine now. Like I think earlier what I did was, I don't know. It had to do with Twitter because I don't see anything wrong. After hours, yeah, maybe. The spread is getting a little bit better for SVRE too. If we can close above 62 pennies, and then it's 66, 65. Okay, then. Lots of resistance here for JTAI, but it's still holding up. And then view, just relaxing. What's the spread at? Well, the spread was 58 to 61. It's better now. It was 58 to 61 sing. But it's 60 it's 66 it's 60 oh, to 6006 to 62 now. So that's better. It's moving. Okay, let me take a look. NOGN. Go away. NOGN 16. Ooh. Ooh, Yogi. Ooh, yeah, it's going for the highs of the day now. Beautiful. Yeah, I just wanted to, again, Jody, just because we've seen so many of these names, rally into bankruptcy, right? Like bankruptcy, they're getting delisted soon, right? So then the market says, ooh, the shorts say, ooh, let's cover. Let me cover my position, right? So hopefully that's the case, and then we have a nice little rally. That would be good. If not, that would suck. But yeah, bankruptcy rally. D, what did you send your wife? Solid company. Ooh, here we go. If you're holding NOGN, type in yes in the chat. Type in yes. Type in yes. And have financial commitments. Exactly, Yogi. Exactly. Noggin. NOGN. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Not holding anything, honey. Yes. NOGN. So yeah, let's see if that thing can give us a rally. Mark, yes. Yeah. I mean, at the very least, though, it dipped and then came back to the highs of today, right? So yeah, 17 cents resistance there. 17 cents. So we have about what 23 minutes left. So if that thing can show us some momentum into the close, maybe it's setting up for a nice after hour push. If we can see some momentum. And if you're not in it, maybe don't FOMO at the highs of the day, but you know, because the spread is wild, right? Ask at 16.8, 16.90, bid at 16.14, 16.50. So it's all over the place. So with stuff like this too, you might have to use limit orders unless you see that it gets a lot closer. Otherwise, you might buy super, super high. Ooh, here comes 17 cents. Here comes 17. Oh, it's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. Come on, Jody. Pray to the gods of the chicken bones. There it is, 17. Wow. Okay. That's not too bad. Not too bad. $17.50. Na 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 na. No. Come on. Give us the bankruptcy squeeze, 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 squeeze. Yeah, stuff like this again. It was always that big risk when you play with it, isn't there? Always. Mentioned. Okay. Okay, cool. Choo. NOGN. Oh, the bits are slowly creeping up too, which is nice. $17.60. When Boomski's 17.70, guys. When break above 18. Are just squeezing the shorts? Kind of. Kind of. Kind of. Right, maybe some shorts covering. Yeah. Yes, yes. Anyway, so anytime we get close to 18 cents, right, there's usually resistance, right? Every time, 18 cents, right? Close to 18 cents, always. It's like 18 to 20 cents, right? Yeah, yeah. 18, just like a stock. You got stopped out, Jody. Oh my goodness, you're tight. Wow. You got stopped out without a red candle. My goodness, your stop loss is tight. Dang. No, if you made monies though, Jody, that's all that matters. If you made monies, high five. Well, you did make monies, so high five. Um, Other than that, it is what it is. We're hitting highs from well, actually, this is the same high from last Friday. So on Friday, it pushed up and it hit this high. Alrighty, so Friday. Today is yeah. So Friday, right? The high was 1718. So we're sitting right there, right there. 17. No, 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 no. There goes a drop, right? So resistance right there from Friday. No, 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 no. Just follow too close, Jody. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. Maybe we get a bit of a dip ski and then continuation, right? For now, again, it just hit the same resistance it hit on Friday. So, and actually, so Friday and Thursday we struggled with those levels, right? So Thursday, Friday we struggled with 18 cents. 18 cents is very common, right? So it's $18 actually. Like if you're watching a bigger name, like a bigger stock, especially the SPACs, right? They sometimes struggle at $18, and if they can break above, then it's $20. So we can clear $18 here, and then you're looking for 20 cents. Then you're looking for 20 cents ish. While we're waiting, the S&P looks good. My goodness, look at that. SPY just hit new 52-week highs. New 52-week highs for the S&P, guys. Markets look strong. JTAI looking fine. It's sitting at resistance 370. Needs to break that, right? And then boomskis to $4. MINM just relaxing, right? Needs to clear $4. So View is at $2, by the way. Oh my goodness, guys, dang. View is going for the highs of the day. So high was 204, looking so much better. 22% there, nice. And since there is nothing to return, um, well, no, no. You can't just decide to keep the shares, right? When you short a stock, you're borrowing the shares. You have to return the stock, right? So the reason they cover is because now the stock is going into the OTC, right? So then you're shorting a stock that's in the OTC. What's the point, Then it's not liquid enough for them to get the money out when they need it, right? So that's why you see these rallies when a stock is about to be delisted, right? You see these wild rallies. But then you're like, but the company's getting delisted. How come it's pumping? It's because some people need to leave. They shorted the stock at $10, it's at 10 cents. They don't really care whether they cover at 10 cents, 20 cents, 50 cents. They just want to get out, right? They've basically finished it. So yeah. Yeah, no, so if you short a stock and you let it go to the OTC, now your money is gone to the OTC because you're technically still holding it until you cover, right? You hold it whether it goes to one, you're still holding it. So at some point you will need to cover to get your money out. So it's way better to cover on a bigger exchange like the New York Stock Exchange, the Nasdaq, before the stock goes to an exchange where it's going to take you 5 days to cover. Right? You can sell your position once and you're done out of it. And on the Nasdaq, right? You let it go to the OTC. You're selling your share one at a time, and it's going to take you 365 days. You know, plus the day that Pablo was anyways rating fiscal position with recession looking less likely in 2024. Yeah, I think maybe we have like a little tiny dipskis, and again elections. I don't think I've seen an election year that like we haven't had like some crazy rallies into, but then again it's we're dealing with stuff that like isn't normal, right? So Uh, let's go. Oh my goodness. Um, 30 months. Oh my goodness. 30 months virus. That makes sense. Yeah. Okay, good. 30 months. Why does viruses like why does viruses countdown fly so much? I feel like virus is on a different clock. On a different clock. What's the next batch? Is 34 months or 36? I'll look virus. I'll look. And then see if we can make something up. Oh yeah. 17 miles? Almost 4 hours? Virus? 1.4K. Wow. Dang. Oh my goodness. Were you chasing an alligator or were you chasing a lion? He was chasing you. My goodness. I spent 2 hours in the woods. Dan, what do you think virus does in the woods? What do you think happens in the woods? And he says virus goes to the woods every single day, you know? I know virus is training, but like every day he's in the woods. Anyways. Yeah, he takes water to the outhouse. Yes. 2024 is coming. You're training for 2024? Okay, sounds good. Mustafa? Yes, of course. Leave the man alone. Private time, yes. It looks like we JTAI failed at resistance again. So even though it looked like it wanted to go, it just never did, right? So this is why it's really important that when you're watching something, and if you want to take a play, make sure you wait for it to actually break out. If not, you're playing with fire. Playing with fire. Maybe that Wes, there's the same level again. 313 for JTAI. Same level. Over and over again. Over and over again. NOGN is just relaxing at above 17. Relaxing at the double top. Yeah, so I need to go to the gym today, virus. I need to go to the gym. We did a shop. Okay. Fell 6.2%. Bitcoin buying something. 13%. Okay, sounds good. Just looking at BTC. The ice harvest. Yeah, it's doing well, isn't it? Yeah, retesting the highs now. So 65 to 66 is your next resistance there for SVRE. That's a nice push. Not bad. Sit in your car on Discord and then drive back home. Well, Well, I've only done that like once then. Only once. Only once. Unbelievable. No, 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 no. Only once. Yeah, views looking very good. Highs of the day for view. Very nice. There goes 207. Dang. 207 for view. Rubbish. Rubbish. No, 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 no. View. I know Musty's been waiting for this one, so. No, no, no. New highs for view. And then SVRE was. No, no, no. Yes, yes. Hmm. I'm just looking. Just looking. Here we go. I was looking at the dates for NOGN because we're kind of going into the close. There's 7 minutes left. Stuff like this is very dangerous, of course. But that thing could send it after hours, though. Yeah. So there's nothing else that I see for dates other than like what we know already, right? So it's looking good into the close, or isn't it? If you're planning on holding NOGN into the close, type in yes. Or yeah, just into the close. You can make your decision after hours if something else changes. But yeah, Yogi, you're planning on holding? Okay. Yeah. Colin, yeah. Okay. Oh yeah, Colin, there you go. So it's looking better, right? So yeah, other than like what we've talked about, there's nothing else that I see, right? The only other thing I could do is look at the SEC website, maybe. uh NOGN. So that was November 22nd. And there's nothing else on there. Nothing else on there that we haven't already looked at. Hmm. Yeah, View's done really well, Pablo, hasn't it? Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Na, na. Absolutely beautiful. Mm. Solid close. If we can stay above $2. Of the North Pole. Yep. Do you guys have snow, Mohammed? You guys have snow? I don't know. I feel like that's a silly question to ask in November, December in Canada. Everybody has snow at that time, but everybody has snow. Tunes. Already tired of. Wow. Even Miami has snow. Really, Pablo? Wow, that's wild. Yeah. Well, at least like usually by now, I think we've had quite a few days of like it's snowing, especially South Beach. Yeah. But we've only had snow twice this year, so that's good. We've only had snow twice. If I look at the next like 10 days, it says no snow, so that's good. Really don't want snow. So I thought you were being serious, Pablo. Here I was, thinking like, I told you my default is innocent, so I thought you were being well, you know, um, rubbish. Yeah, tornadoes on Saturday. Really six? Oh Lord. You'd think the weather would be calming down with the season we're going into, but Central Florida, Jody. Yeah, sad, sad. Interesting. Dan, send me the. I haven't seen any videos. Send me the video, Dan. I don't know if I. Yeah, send me the video. Oh, okay, okay, okay. You in 4 hours for 2 hours. My goodness. I can't wait to see Virus in the Olympics. Olympics. Or Virus. Get there, please, and thank you. In the UFC. That'll be the next Hot Rates meetup to watch Virus at the UFC. Virus in the forest runs in the forest for 2 hours and then goes to kickboxing for 2 hours. My goodness. While some other people are like, doing nothing. People like Mohammed, no exercise, nothing, useless. If today was the apocalypse, the zombies would catch them first. Anyways, let's go, D. Congratulations, good job. Yeah. Unbelievable. Anyways, but who am I to judge? Good job, D. Good job. Good job. Yeah, help pay for the water. Yeah, absolutely. So the market is closed, guys, and yeah, let's see if anything shows up here. Let me make sure I have my news feed going. Okay, I'll watch. 10.
We got a tornado.
That's a whoa, whoa, whoa. Dang, that's crazy. Hmm. I'll watch the video. News feed. So nothing yet for news. The last thing that had news was earlier this morning, lunchtime. Oh, the people that had a big mouth. Can't wait. Sing? What do you mean? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So HI. Uh, wow, SPY closed at new highs. Oh my goodness. Wow. Damn, impressive. HIHO. Hi ho. Hi ho has news, guys. With a name like that, oh my goodness. Hi ho. Hi ho. It's to the moon we go. Do. The volume is rubbish though. That's the concerning part. It's locked and loaded. Yep. Locked and loaded. So Hi-Ho says the name of the company, by the way, is Highway Holdings. Signs a non-binding letter of intent to acquire majority of some other company, G GmbH. GmbH. Let me take a look at GmbH. Hi-Ho. Hi-Ho. Is that a good the close with that name? Who the hell names a company Hi-Ho? Who does that? Anyways, um, with all these profits and some real music for heaven's sake, I know, Trisha, I know. Yes, you can get me new music. I will gladly take it. At the same time, um, uh, LPTH has some news. They received an order from Lockheed Martin. So Lightpath announces initial $4.7 million offer order from Lockheed Martin. What's the float on this stock? 34 million. No wonder it's slow. No wonder it's slow. So Hi-Ho is just sitting there at 245, up 25%, not really doing much. And then LPTH is also just sitting there. So let's see which one actually gives us a breakout. ONMD is also popping. Okay. My goodness, Hi Ho is just staring. ONMD. Oh yeah, 34%. 34%. Interesting. Yeah, everything just seems like a pop and then stagnant, except for LPTH new highs for a second. New highs. Seven dwarfs. Yeah, the issue is all of that stuff is copyright. Is Hi Ho going? Or Hi Ho is going, guys? See? With the name like Hi Ho, like how could you not go up? What this is 30% for Hi Ho. Hi Ho. Do you know what's going on with its bankruptcy, DP? Same thing as NOGN. Let's see. Let's see which one decides to go for a bigger pop. There's another stock with news. There goes high ho, 32%, and drop. And yes. With how can you not go up? I see, Mark. I meant it in the most innocent way possible. So, 22% CNTV. Oh wow. Okay. Let me take a look. Nothing happening yet with NOGN. So, CNTV. Yeah. Initial pop as well. So honestly, with all of these names, you can kind of see how they have the same kind of um, a way that they move, right? So then it becomes really complicated because now you have to ask yourself like which one actually looks like it's gonna go. That's the problem with these names, right? It's you in pre-market or after hours, right? You have a whole bunch of these names. They have just sent the news now. Okay, you know what I mean? It's like, okay, well, this one popped two candles, right? LPTH popped two massive candles and then stalled. Hi Ho popped four candles. Why? Because it's Hi Ho. It has to pop a bit more, right? But you're having all these names pop, and the question is, which one's going to keep going? Like, which one's going to give us 100%? We don't know that, right? So, and if you're not sure how to play pre-market and after-hour stonks, right? Watch this video when you're done. When we leave the stream, when we leave the stream, watch that video at the bottom and make sure you leave a comment if it resonates. Alrighty, leave a comment and make sure you hit the like as well. So watch that video later if you're unsure of like just how to play these names. Because again, in my opinion, unless you can catch it nice and early, you should not be playing with it, right? Unless you can catch it really early on the breakouts or the initial news hype, something like that. Sure. Yes, leave a comment. Share the link if you know someone that's struggling with FOMO into pre-market gainers or after-hour gainers, right? Sing. That's usually how it goes. Is it actually? Let's go. NOGN is at 19. CNTB is creeping up there too, Mo. Let me take a look. NOGN. It shows you 19. Maybe it's because it doesn't have enough volume yet, so TradingView is lacking with. Let me look at a different site. NOGN. Yeah. Still showing me 17. The wake is at 19. Okay. Yeah, we'll see when it decides to update. Anything up is good though. Anything up is good. Was 19 on Robinhood? Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, hopefully it keeps going. Give us a rally. Hi ho is going back down, guys. So, decent. Okay. Yeah, so many names, right? So many names with so much news. Then you're like, but which one's gonna go? AB. Yeah, that chart doesn't look too bad actually. Yeah, I like charts like this a bit better. Just consistent higher lows instead of one fat green candle. So is that good? I don't know. I don't know, Virus. Oh, that was you in the woods in the. That's your weather virus. That's criminal. How the hell, like, Do you have nice weather like that, Virus? Oh wow. Look at that. That's amazing, Virus. That's amazing. The sun is out, the leaves are green. The green is green. My green is covered in snow. We don't even have green anymore, Mohammed. Well, maybe you do. I don't have green at all. Hmm. Stuff like that should be, you know, yeah. No, not from earlier, West. They had more news. Look in the breaking news channel in Discord. They had more news. The news from earlier, maybe it didn't do anything, but they just had news 5 minutes ago. Yeah, INAB news 5 minutes ago. Would never visit. That's true. The last time virus was going on, yeah, that sounds like COVID. Has been around much longer than COVID. Yep, yep. La, 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 la. Speaking of a virus being around, and it says 30 months. 30 months. Showing 21, then it's 18. It's odd. Honestly, that's a good thing. At least it's showing something that's higher than what the price closed at. Yeah. Hopefully a dipski and then a nice curl. And then a breakout above 170 and a close above 170. So CNTB also had some news. High Ho had some news. High Ho looks like it's trying to curl off $2.30. View isn't doing anything. LPTH again had that news from Lockheed Martin. It's selling off. So maybe it's all left to what's CNTB doing? Nothing. Oh, there we go. 19. Okay, boomskis, and it just give us a nice. We're not really asking for much. We just want a nice bankruptcy rally. Just a nice bankruptcy rally. True, true. A nice bankruptcy push. Just a good 500%. Colin, I take it. Yes, sure. Yeah, needs the volume. Yeah, some of these things might not start moving till 30 minutes from now, 15 minutes from now. So a good combination of news. Cash runway 2025 positive cancer trial. Wes, yes. On movers. So okay. News. Scammers. Na, 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 na. Let's give it 6 more minutes, guys, and then we're done skis already, and then we can go back to Discord. In terms of like legend recap, I don't think we have anything to recap today. No, fairly slow day, so nothing to recap really for the legends. I looked at the food channel. Oh, I don't go into the food channel in Discord. Nope. I go into the food channel at like once a week maybe, and every time I go there, I'm jealous. Uh, On didn't really count, but na, 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 na. Good job, who's here? Good jobs. CMPS is jumping. Musty, did you sell View yet, or you're just holding? CMPS, Compass Pathway. The volume seems to be very light. Too light for it to show up on TradingView, Trisha. You expect me to make cookies? Like, are you kidding me? Unbelievable. Mohammed sent me a cookie recipe. Like, who does that? And now it's going back up. CNCB, yeah. Now you have that. Ooh, there it is. You have that double top at 120 if it can break above, which it has, but just close above 120. The spread is also ridiculous, but yeah. Yep. So that looks interesting. LPTH not doing much. Hi Ho is not doing anything. INEAB not doing anything, right? So yeah, CNCB looks like the one that's actually fighting there, which is nice. NOGN is also holding up, so that's good. What else are you doing? I'm doing other stuff, baking cookies. I need to find some more friends that like live in the city that like to bake cookies. So then I could just go visit. Oh, you're baking cookies? Oh, okay, don't worry. I'm passing by. Yeah, 53 million. Yeah, that might be an obstacle. You're getting better at. I'm telling you, Sing. You just have to execute. So paper trade them, and you will feel so much better. Paper trade, right? Yeah. Does my mom bake cookies? Once in a while. She bakes other amazing things though. Other things that like are amazing, especially the holidays. Oh my goodness, I do need to go to the gym consistently because holidays, lots of stuff. Yeah, Wes. Yeah, that's another one. That's another one. So we shall see. Maybe we should have looked at which one had the smaller float, Wes. The float for N OGN is not that big, so yeah, that would be selfish. It's gonna take 2 weeks to get to you, and by that time it's stale. Oh yeah, the some fried dough. There's so much goodness, so much goodness. La, la. Virus, yes. Hated the name. You hated the names. Still hate them. I know, Wes. I know. It's something that like you should really try and stay away from. But we've seen what's happened over the last few months. These bankruptcy plays or like their listing plays. They seem to like rally one last time, right? As people run to exit. So yeah. Gail, probably. More not less deprived, but just not no. It just wasn't a thing. It just wasn't a thing. So we might as well enjoy it now, I guess. Is slow for you? Yeah, it's rubbish. The only thing I would maybe it shows up. Yeah, like it's if it had more volume, we could see all the price action. But without volume, TradingView just says, you know what, meh. 127. Look at that, Sing. You could have been paper trading this. Yeah, right. CNTB. Look at that, 128, 129, 131 Sing. Look at that breakout, right? If you simply just waited and you played the whole pre-market after hour strategy, this is another example of it working perfectly. You do not need to FOMO into high ho. You don't need to FOMO into LPTH. You don't need to FOMO into INAB because they have news. Just wait for that one thing, right? Just wait for the one thing. Just the one thing, right? Look at that thing go. What happened? It pushed, came back down, and gave us the second wave, right? So again, if you haven't watched the video on how to play pre-market and after-hour gainers, you should watch it. Right? That's the video at the bottom. So save that link. When you leave, go watch it. Right? Because this is doing exactly what it. Right? See? See? You could have been inside. You could have been inside the building. You know. But yeah, no. So this one is slow though. So just be careful. Slow. It's gonna go up and down really quickly. So, well, in a in a really slow. Anyways, you know what I mean. You read up, but I told him it's a cookie. Yep, in the bush. Exactly, virus. Exactly. No, exactly, Mohammed. Yeah, there's always another one and another one and another one, right? So, yeah. Have a wonderful night, Dan. Much love. See you tomorrow. I'll see you in the Futures channel later. Enjoy. Be safe. Bye. Exactly, Sing. So, yeah, paper trade them. Paper trade. Paper trade. See you in pre-market, Oleg. Have a wonderful night. Alrighty, guys. I think we leave it here for today, and we continue in Discord. So see you guys in Stock General. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbots. Come join us in Discord. If you know these are crap, why do you call out so many stocks? If I know the crap, because you never know, right? So Todd, what you have to do is again watch the video, right? Watch the video. There's a reason why we have all these names on a watch list, right? NIAB, LPTH, Hi Ho, they're all rubbish, right? So, but again, rubbish is the same stock that goes up 1,000%, 3,000%, right? So you cannot ignore them because they're rubbish. You just have to watch and see which one retail picks, right? If 10 names have news, you don't know which one's going to go yet. You have to watch all of them, right? And see, okay, which one's actually looking like it's going to push. And then you go to that one, right? Because if we were closing our eyes and playing with the name, we would probably go with Hi Ho. Hi Ho is popping, let's go with Hi Ho, and then it's going down, right? So HKD was crap. Yep, all of them, right? HKD. What does HKD do? Nobody cares what HKD does. HKD went up from $13 to $2,000 though, right? So we have to pay attention to all of them. We have to watch them. We have to then look for which one seems like the technicals are, nice on, right? You have the catalyst, and then you have the catalyst, and then you have the technical. So now we have the catalyst. We have 5 names with the catalyst. Now we're waiting for the technicals to align, right? And if the technicals align, what video is it? Trisha, this is the link at the bottom. That's the link to the video, how to play pre-market and after hours. That's the video at the bottom. Again, if you watch the video, don't forget to hit the like, guys, and leave a comment already. And there goes CNTB, right? Clearly is the stock for now. 48%. Next resistance $1.35. $1.35. Alrighty, y'all. Again, have a wonderful evening. Be safe. And we shall see you guys in Stock General in Discord. Crypto, yeah, slow Monday. Yeah, a few names earlier, right? But for the most part, nothing that went boom skis. So hopefully tomorrow we have something that goes boom skis. Maybe tonight we have something that goes boom. Anyways, hopefully tomorrow. And there goes CNTB trying. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, there goes 135. 135. There goes 137. New highs of the day. Well, highs of the day exactly. Right, so double top. Right? So 137 double top. But if you simply just waited for this thing to drop the news and pop and then come back down and break out, right? Gone skis. So now your next resistance is $1.37. And then maybe we can talk about $1.45 and $1.50, but it's a super slow stock. Super slow stock. So hopefully it decides to push harder at some point. Thank you, Trisha. Cutting send bail monies, D? Absolutely, we got you. We will make sure you have monies. Alrighty. Last check. It looks like INAB is bouncing, curling a bit. Curling a little bit. So that's not too bad. Alrighty, y'all. See you tomorrow. See you in Discord. Have a wonderful evening. And bye, guys. Bye, guys. Sounds good, D. Bye, y'all.